Korang nak kawan-kawan korang buka your fridge and go?
Yeah, why your fridge like this one?
So, hari ni Epul nak tunjuk korang cara-cara to refresh and reorganize your fridge. Step 1. Get rid of things that you don't need. Seterusnya, the key is to bring in containers. These containers will compartmentalize your fridge. So, senanglah korang nak cari everything in one shot. Next, fill it up with only the essential. Yang bestnya, korang tak payah keluar. Stay at home je. Order from GrabMart. Zero delivery fee. Why not? Ha! Tengok, senang je. Goodbye delivery fees. Okay, sekarang we stock up. Inilah cara-caranya on how you do. Janganlah kacau fridge arrangement aku.
Tak, kau jangan melebih boleh tak, Epul Yusof? Anyway, go and watch my tips on how you can save relationships using GrabMart.
Tak, ni apa pasal? Apa pasal kau hijack aku di Instagram?
Kau bising ah. Go and watch my video now.